Hey, and welcome back for another recipe. This one is one of the simplest in my portfolio. A sweet and savoury Vietnamese dish which can be made with pork or chicken. It's great with rice or served banh mi style with a baguette and herbs and pate, or both. Give it a try, your taste buds and your real buds will love you for it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the description box below so you can copy. This is most of our prep done. The brown sugar measured, our meat cubed, sliced onions, the garlic, spices, soy and fish sauce. And the key ingredient, coconut water, not milk. Get all the prep done at the start, and this is a really quick dish when you get going. Pop the sugar and water in a large pot over medium heat, stir, and then when it bubbles and the sugar has melted, that's our caramel sauce. Now we can add in the meat and give it a good stir to coat. Then add in the rest of the ingredients. It's that simple. Stir, then adjust the heat to medium so it's simmering fairly energetically, but not too rapidly. This is not a slow simmer. And let it simmer for 1.5 hours, uncovered, and stir it a few times while it's cooking. Keep your nerve while it's reducing. You want a really thick coating sauce. And now it is thick and coating. The pork should be meltingly tender. Stir it and the pork will brown and caramelize in the fat. And once that liquid is all gone and it's now stuck to the pork, it's ready. Serve over rice garnished with fresh chilli, a boiled egg and lime, or with a baguette and herbs. It's such a tasty and easy recipe. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, push that like button and maybe subscribe. We've got a lot of tasty recipes on this channel. So until next time, bye!